I'm SimplyNapri. Today I'm back with my daughter,
Samaya.
Today we are doing a completely different mukbang than we ever done. We still have seafood, but we have some gigantic freshwater shrimp that I got from the Asian store.
They were blue.
Yeah, they were blue. They were like gray and blue. Like the legs were blue on these. That's something I've never seen before. We have some clams, which we've tasted clams before, but we've never had it on our channel. We got a couple pieces of sausage back here.
And we got some eggs.
And we got a few eggs. We got our butter sauce, of course. To drink, we have some sweet tea from McDonald's because that's what my son wanted to eat today. He had McDonald's, so we got sweet tea from McDonald's. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into this video because we're super hungry.
Let's start with a sausage.
I think I'm going to start with a clam. Clams are much smaller than mussels.
Yeah, that's why they come with a lot. They were 63.
Yum, yum, yum.
And yes, I sat there and counted all these clams.
You really?
Yep. That's what I was doing over there.
So we got the clams from the Asian market too. This one has 2 in it. That's because one of them is empty. The other one fell into this one. So I'm gonna eat these 2 together. I don't have no extra lemons, but it's okay because I got lemon in my butter sauce. So, I like that. Much smaller than mussels, but so good. Sausage.
These are our teas.
Just a little.
Just like crawfish.
Crawfish has more meat than that.
But they're teas also because the meat is so good.
But really good but small.
Okay, Mom, tell me what to do.
Right. So I watched some videos on this. That's why I decided to keep the head on while I cooked it. So I'm not going to eat the head.
Whoa.
But I am going to.
I'm eating stuff.
You're going to eat it? I don't know about that. I'm kind of scared. I'm going to open it though because I have seen people on other mukbangs. They open it.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely eating that.
She likes that stuff, like the weird mustard stuff inside of stuff.
I don't like this one.
But I don't know about that. Yeah, I'm not going to eat the head. I might suck the juice out of it.
Heck no.
The juice is good, but I'm not eating none of the stuff out of sight. On the inside.
No.
They got a lot of stuff in there. That's what we're not going to do. Some of these actually have legs on them, which have meat in them. I've never seen a shrimp leg before.
Why would you let me do that?
Who told you? I didn't tell you to do that.
Let me.
So look, this is how big the actual shrimp is. It's way huger with the head on, but the shrimps are a pretty nice size too. If you see, compared to my hand, it's a pretty big size. So go ahead and peel this. Take off the extra stuff that came out the head because yeah, I'm not feeling that. Not right now at least. Maybe one day I'll brave up to eat that, but it's a lot of stuff in those heads.
Don't eat it ever. It does not taste like the mustard and crawfish.
No.
And what you think is solid is not solid. Not at all.
Right. So anyway, shrimp in my butter sauce.
Oh, yeah, this shrimp is about to be meaty.
That's up. It's very good. That is good. You gotta move them elbows, child. Try to eat with your left hand as much as possible.
These are really good.
Very good.
And they smell like flour tortillas.
I don't know if it's the mix of all the stuff that we had in the boil, because this is different stuff. So it smelled a lot different than what we're used to smelling.
This the order.
It don't have like a typical, yeah. It don't have a typical like seafood smell. So you're not scared to suck the head, but you just not Not feeling the other stuff, huh?
No, absolutely not. It's the ribs, I think that's what it is.
Look at this. They got the whiskers. This is literally the whole shrimp, y'all. Anyways, like I said, I'm not gonna eat the head, but I will suck the juice out of it. But that's about it.
Look at all that meat.
They're pretty easy to peel.
Yeah.
Dig deep down in that sauce. My sauce kind of low today. My plate is full already because these heads are so big.
Right. I'm gonna make technique with the shell to my egg.
I'm just gonna eat my egg. I ain't got time. I don't feel like doing all that. Ooh.
I'm gonna take out half the yolk this time. Keep the one in the other egg. It's like a perfect cut.
Look at that. I hope it's not too bright, y'all. I try to not make this be washed out, but my light is so bright. But I need the light so you can see everything pretty good. But anytime you have something white or really light, it gets washed out.
Yeah. Why do you call it washed? That's the word for it. That's just what you said.
Oh, that's the word for it. Okay. Let me go get my camera charger because it's on 1. Well, when I started this video, it was on 3. But that's only because I had just started charging it a little bit before we started this video. So it kind of fooled me. But it's really not fully charged. And that was on 1 already. We ain't even been into this video that long. So let me get my charger. Hold that thought. Alright, y'all. I went and got my charger so my camera won't die.
Ooh, this is big. That's only because the head. But there's a good meat at the base of it. But don't get no deeper than that.
They do have bigger ones sometimes. So I gotta catch them when they have the really big ones. Like the ones where the body is big, not just the head. The body is bigger than, you know, normal shrimp, but this big old shrimp. Big old freshwater shrimp. Now see, this one got some of the meat still in it right here.
So freshwater, what does that mean? Does that mean it was grown on a freshwater farm?
I think so.
Why is it called freshwater?
Farm raised. I don't know. I don't know what's the difference between water that's not fresh and water that's fresh.
Maybe it's unsalted or something. Or that don't got no chemicals in there, maybe.
I don't know. These legs actually have little pieces of meat in them. Ain't that crazy? They just taste like the regular, like the rest of the shrimp. Like the tail.
You left the scissors over there?
I don't need them. I need scissors for.
I don't know. I thought you got them for the video.
Nope. This one's pretty big. Look how big this one is. You see this? Alright, let's get into it.
Like mini crab legs.
Right. But it tastes like shrimp though. They don't taste like crab. They taste like shrimp. They're just little.
I never saw shrimp with hard legs. I see the little legs at the stomach, but never.
Let me see that yet. So today was Friday. We did not have work or school. It's parent teacher conference week at their school. So when they have parent teacher conference week for their school system, they don't go to school on Fridays because the teachers, they put in extra hours on throughout the week. They put in those extra 8 hours on parent teacher conference days. They have to stay 4 hours extra, so they don't work on those Fridays. So because they were going to be out of school and my husband works today, I took a PTO day. So I want to say we was at home chilling, but we really barely did.
Really?
We got up and out today. Went to Walmart. Got some necessities. Got some stuff for the dog because he needed a bath. So we did that.
He was looking miserable for like 10 minutes.
He does not like to take a bath. I literally have to pick him up and take him to the bath. We got him a tub. Like, we get him a little, like the little plastic bins that people store stuff in. He's small enough to take a bath in that, so that's what we give him a bath in. So we got him one of those today. Another one, because I think his last one broke or something.
Why is he
It had a hole in it
again?
That's all he do. He is a sleepy dog.
So much today.
I don't know why he sleeps so much. But anyways, so yeah, we got him that, and we gave him a good bath today. My husband needed some headphones, some wireless headphones for work, so he just insisted that we bring them to him. So while we was at Walmart, we picked him up some wireless headphones and dropped them off at his job before we came home to get a dog a bath. Yeah, so we just been out and about pretty much for a majority of the day.
Want one of these legs?
You can give me one. I don't know if you need it or not.
Can you do this one for me? It's spiky. Mama.
You don't have to buy it.
It spikes. I'm poking my tongue.
Break this. Oh, it ain't working. You don't need it on your tongue. I ate it.
Why?
It was. Well, I didn't eat it. It's still in there, but I can't get it.
I don't want it.
Break down at the joint and see if you can get it out. Oh, most of it.
Start it with this. Me to not too.
Don't eat it. Oh, there you go. See if you can pull this part off. I'll see. Oh, there you go. Bam, just pull it out. Look at that, y'all. Look at that little shrimp leg. A little shrimp leg. That's funny. I've never seen a shrimp leg. These mugs are pointy, though. I know that.
You know what crab legs were pointy? They're Dungeness.
Yeah. King crab are very pointy, too, but most of the time, depending on where you buy it from, a lot of times they shave it down. Shave the pointy parts off. So they don't be that pointy when you actually get it. Eat. My leg don't want to come out. That's okay. I'm not finna fool with that little tiny thing. No, sir. Sausage. Eat my last shrimp.
That's your last one?
Yeah, there's only one more left. Yeah, I'm sure you probably want it, don't you?
Yep.
Woo! I'm getting full too. I don't know why. I don't feel like we ate that much. Well, they are kind of big.
Last shrimp.
Ooh. You want to try clam? No, nothing? You want to try a bite of shrimp? Here's Mark Caden. Of course he wants to try something. me take a bite and I'm gonna let him have the rest. Come here. Come over here. This way, by me. Come on here. You're flicking juice everywhere. You're gonna get juice in my tea.
In your tea.
In my tea.
It's all put over there. It's far. It's going that far.
Hold meat out. Hope you missed a piece. Get that.
It's going that far.
Yeah, it came all the way over here in my space. You like it? Pretty good. It's meaty, huh? Like thick and meaty.
Yes, these are really thick.
Here goes the little hands.
They're like firm.
Why is so small?
That's how big clams are. They're really good though. See
Sausage.
Excusez-moi.
It just says like muscles.
I don't know what made me start saying excusez-moi. But I always say that to my kids.
You got a lot of stuff.
Excusez-moi. I don't know. I say a lot of weird stuff. I just say little stuff all the time.
Bites my.
Bites my. Instead of beats me. Bites my. I don't know where it came from. Bites mine. Here's the little one over here dipping. Talk about he don't want no seafood, but he always gotta get a little taste at the end. You like it?
Yep.
You got some more.
How would you just take that from me?
Quit taking it.
That's the ones I was taking and you're taking them out of my hand.
Why do you think just reach from your side?
Because I didn't want it.
So extra. Extra, extra, extra. Look, all these clams right here, and they want to fight over it.
Yep.
For what?
No, since we're staying on sides.
No, that's not how that
Nope,
works.
you said stay on sides.
that don't apply to me. I'm just saying, why you gotta reach all the way over here when you got a whole bunch right in front of you?
That sauce buttery.
No, that's the best part. That's the best part. But that's because if you're only dipping at the top, you're only getting butter. You gotta dip down so you get the seasonings and all the other stuff.
I like that part.
You really like the butter part? That's the only part you like?
I've never tried it.
It's
Yeah,
like
dip down.
spicy butter.
It's a little spicy though. Not that spicy.
That's good. What you talking about?
Too much.
That's the goodness. You got the onions and the garlic and all the good stuff.
It's supposed to be hot.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little spicy though. It is a little spicy.
That's a good bite.
Since I didn't have no
What?
no
No.
what is it? Red pepper. Or no, I didn't have no cayenne pepper or red pepper.
Boy.
I put some 2 times spicy in this. Y'all bet y'all didn't know that, huh? When I first made it, because this is the sauce I made last weekend. I just put it up. But I only put,
You use that in everything.
I only put a little bit of it to add some spice to it. I didn't put a lot, like where you're gonna be like, oh my god, it's 2 times spicy. It's not that spicy. It's not that spicy. If I would have really put a lot of the 2 times spicy in it to where it was actually 2 times spicy butter sauce, they would not be sitting here eating it like this. That's a fact.
Now you make me think about 2 times spicy being in the sauce. My throat hurt.
That's because you overthinking it now.
My mom put 2 times spicy in everything.
I'm addicted.
Ever
y'all.
since she got it.
Look, I contemplated bringing my 2 times spicy out and trying it on that shrimp, but
What's that?
I ain't even do it.
Oh,
It's a shrimp
goodness.
leg. You gonna try my shrimp? Hold on, let me get it.
I'm
out.
finna hide your 2 times spicy.
No, I love it.
I'm just gonna sneak it up on us in time.
Here, shrimp leg. Look at this, shrimp leg. So tiny.
I'm gonna eat some shrimp legs today.
Y'all, we killed that. That didn't take no time. It looked like so much when we started, but it really wasn't that much.
I don't think we ever did seafood video when everything was done.
Sometimes. It just depends on what it has.
I did not think we were gonna finish all this. I was getting full. We still have 4 shrimps left and some.
But the shrimp, look, like I said, they look super huge. But the actual body of it isn't that big. Wasn't that big on these. He had to go. He got a little too much energy right now. And which is fine, nothing wrong with a little energy, but he didn't want to be in this video, and now he want to come in the video and start playing, and don't nobody got time for that right now because we already done eating. I'm ready to wrap this thing on up. But anyways, y'all, like I said, today was Friday. We didn't have school, we didn't have work, so we actually got a 3-day weekend. They got a 4-day weekend because they had a snow day yesterday, so they didn't have school on Thursday. Their dad was home with them. I had to go to work yesterday, but 4-day weekend for them, 3-day weekend for me. So our actual weekend is just beginning. We still got 2 whole days left. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you watch the video to the end. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we will see you next time. Peace.